What we're seeing here is some pretty bad termite damage in a Maylands house, and it is all the way down that stud there, all the way down. They seem to have been a bit hit and miss. I mean, these ones here, oh, okay, now you can see what I mean. That just comes away like it's butter, you know, it's just coming away. Look at that. So all of these timber frames here are going to be replaced. Some of the worst termite damage they've ever seen, apparently, and this is what could be lurking behind sheeted walls. It's all the way up there. Yeah.